article writing your key to success. Have you wasted valuable time and money trying to promote your online business? If you've spent hard-earned cash buying ads on e-zines or on websites, you may have been disappointed with the results. There's a better way to advertise your business or website. Article writing is for you if you want great benefits that don't cost anything. By submitting quality articles, you'll get lots of exposure and publicity without a financial investment. You've probably realized by now that the internet is about information, so content brings visitors to your site. That's a no-brainer. Consider the possibilities of regularly writing for the internet. Your work may be seen by millions. Articles written today can quickly appear on over 100 websites. Search engines are constantly looking for new content to feed content-hungry readers. Why not yours? By keeping your work before the public, your website will keep getting new visitors who become buyers. As your words are spread all over the internet, your targeted traffic will increase. That's how to reach lots of qualified buyers. Previous customers will be motivated to become repeat buyers. By writing regularly, you can reach affiliates or joint venture partners who can help your sales potential. Your articles can be permanently displayed on the internet. Your reputation can spread all over the internet and beyond. Think of the reach just one article can have. Your influence could span the globe. What you've written can show up in the most surprising places. 1. Your words may wind up on a number of publishers' homepages. 2. You could get featured in a large e-zine with thousands of subscribers. 3. Your work could be published in a book or in magazines. 4. An author may ask to use one or more of your articles in an ebook and you'll be credited. 5. You may get discovered and earn extra income through speaking engagements. 6. You may be given the opportunity to speak on radio shows. 7. You may even be interviewed for national newspapers. You may not have to wait long before seeing amazing results. As you submit your work to e-zines and article directories, keep in mind that top-ranking sites are crawled by Google more often than other sites. When these sites publish your writing, you'll soon see results. With each article you submit, your reputation will grow. After you've submitted 20 or so, you may become a household name at no charge to you. An author's works are often kept permanently on websites, so one keyword-rich article can bring thousands of hits for years to come. Articles not only build your reputation, but are the best way to raise your search engine ranking. Reciprocal linking is viewed as less important to Google than one-way linking. If numerous sites point to your website without you linking back, Google rewards you with a higher rank. You get back links automatically by submitting articles, and you don't even have to bother with link exchanges to increase rankings. You also don't have to worry about Google's ever-changing algorithm changes that can dump your website several pages down in one day. Your published works prove you're an expert, at least in the eyes of readers who view you as knowledgeable. You also establish credibility and trust. Your words can create your own brand for your website and business. The written word has clout, so you can clinch your point. Writing brings personal satisfaction. There's a great sense of accomplishment from sharing your expertise with the online community. Real people are sitting behind computers in their homes or offices reading what you've written. Through the right words, you can build rapport with them. You'll probably get emails from time to time telling how something you wrote helped someone. And that's satisfying. So there you have it, writing articles can open surprising doors to success.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.